How to use Robinhood app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can use Robinhood app. Now first things first, what you can do is you'll have to connect your account, verify your identity and link your account to one of your banks or add funds to it. Once you do so, here you'll be able to make trade on Robinhood. Now if you head on this bottom left corner option, that is the stock detail page, you'll be able to see list of stocks there. This is stock list page, and you can see cryptos as well. You can create your list as well. Now once you have verified your account, you'll get the search bar or the search icon at the bottom of your screen, and you can use that search bar to search for a particular stock or ETF. And once you search for a particular stock or ETF, if you head into that particular stock or ETF detail page, you'll get an interface like this. Here you'll be able to see the statistic bar here. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see about, and you can see statistics there, open, volume and such. Further down below, you'll be able to see the recent news on the particular stock or ETF that you have opened up, and analyst ratings as well, and you'll be able to see earnings there. Now if you want to make a trade, or if you want to buy or sell, you can simply tap on trade option that will get on the particular stock or ETF detail page, and you can tap on it and you can tap on buy or sell and then go ahead and make a trade. So if you want to head into your profile, you can tap and head into your profile. If you want to look out for the latest trading news and the stock news, you can head into this particular option at the bottom of your screen that gives you all the news. So this way you can use the Robinhood application. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.